Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad. First, let's craft that iconic dressing. Combine 1 egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. Then, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of olive oil, whisking continuously until the dressing emulsifies and becomes creamy. This creates the perfect base for your salad. Next, let's get those croutons ready. Cut your favorite bread into 1-inch cubes, toss them with a tablespoon of olive oil and a minced clove of garlic, then toast until golden and crispy. While they cool, wash and thoroughly dry your romaine lettuce. This step is crucial for a non-soggy salad. Tear or chop the lettuce into manageable, bite-sized pieces, ensuring everything is prepped for assembly. Now for the exciting part, assembly. In a large bowl, gently toss your prepared romaine lettuce with a generous amount of the homemade Caesar dressing. Make sure every leaf is lightly coated. Next, add your perfectly crispy croutons. Finally, shave or grate a good amount of fresh Parmesan cheese directly over the salad. Give it one last gentle toss and serve immediately to enjoy the freshest flavors and textures. To finish, garnish your Caesar salad with a little extra shaved Parmesan and a fresh grind of black pepper. For a heartier meal, consider adding some perfectly grilled chicken or shrimp. This homemade Caesar salad is truly a crowd pleaser. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.